Welcome to our channel. He is to be conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem. Originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing to his credits. He is to be conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. Corruption attitude with fangs outstretched to get into passenger train is inevitable. Although they live a busy travel with heavy rush on the rail tracks with no guarantee on the exodus of inhuman nature, those heads, hands and legs that hang down, horoscopic lines in the palm, speed on the rusted iron rails, selfish official machinery that is sold out, doubt whether the journey is upward or downward. Forgery ticket is the only one to any destination. Train whistle that the job is available. With an advice of ₹500 crore, it is caught. No further step without corruption. Collection king, do not stammer. When the pocket is full, then only duties. No administration without his interference. Tank load that climb the road at midnight. Unknown speed without any direction. The road he showed is the end of the town. Finally, it is the total surrender to him. Much favor for circular bridges. To sufficient funds, manholes are many. Tetravicus in defense harmony. Secret experiments in the space. Helicopters that acrobat in the air. Submarines that submerge but does not float. Commissions, offers in advances. Augusta Westland, Scorpine. Minimum margin for any deal. Sarva Siksha Abhiyan swallowed. Also that of Barak missiles destruction. Others housing castles in the air, walls not yet provided to beneficiaries. No remorse attitude. The moment a black shroud is covered, French rifle efficiency, no stamina for the battle. Slaves to cut shouts agency, submarines that swim against the tide, exhaustion in the tide, tents that cannot provide shelter. Air Force radars that refuse to function, flying helter-skelter is the confused state, unimaginable and unseen sleight of the hand. United cooperation for illegal income. Each step which he puts towards is as long as the Mount Everest. To continue listening our long poem, He is to be conquered. Please subscribe our channel and click on our channel He is to be conquered part 13.